Hi Jiu-Jitsu class, Mighty Mites, Youth Jiu-Jitsu, and Adult Jiu-Jitsu. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. So, I want to show you how to make your own training dummy. You might already know, but just in case you don't, or you need some extra tips, or you may already have a training dummy at home, like one you got from a martial arts supply company, or you maybe have your family, your siblings, your parents you can train with. That's great. But it's also really good to have your own personal training dummy, because not everyone's always going to be in the mood to want to train with you, and you may want to train on your own and to get some extra time in. So it's really good to have your own personal training aid. So if you only have one uniform, use your uniform for the training dummy, because you don't need your uniform on if your dummy has your uniform on. So don't worry about that. You can put on a long sleeve jacket to help simulate the length of the Jiu-Jitsu uniform. So this is what I have done. I took my gi top and I took a pillow, just a pillow and a pillowcase, okay? Now, I also took, as you can see what's inside these sleeves, a really long pool towel, beach towel. If you don't have a really long pool towel or beach towel, you can use two towels. So I rolled them up like a gift roll, all right? And I laid my gi open and I shoved the towel through the sleeves and I pulled it out. So it's rolled several times. And then I put my pillow in. Actually, I covered my pillow and the towel with a hoodie. So I have a hoodie in here to kind of keep everything together. So a hoodie is nice. If you don't have it, don't worry. It will still work. That's where you can see the hoodie. You can also stuff the head if you want to, all right? So I have my towel and the hoodie, and I have it in on the outside of a pillow, and then I put my gi over the pillow, and then I used one of my old belts. My old white belt for start. See, the dirtier your belt, the better your belt color is, and you are in that belt. All right, so again, make a training dummy, okay? So from right here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna work a skill set with this training dummy to show you how simple it is to train at home with your training dummy. All right, today, we're going to work the sit-up and sweep from the guard. What I have here on the floor is just a yoga mat. You can use your carpet. You can use padding on the floor. I also have pads that I can use, but I just want to show you how simple it is and just as well with a yoga mat. All right. So my dummy, he's a little heavy, and I have some body to work with, and that's pretty good. That's what I want. So I'm going to pick him up, and I'm going to turn him around, and I'm going to go to the guard. All right, so this technique is called sit up and sweep. And the reason why it's sit up and sweep is because your partner, your uke, has a really good posture. They're not a limp noodle. They're not working too far to the side or too far to the back. They have a really good posture. That's what they've been taught. All right, so I want you to put yourself in the guard position, and I want your dummy to have a really good posture. So you're trying to pull on them to get them down, gripping on their elbows. You're trying to rock the guard, and they're not moving. They're doing a good job. So once you realize you're not going to break their posture, you're going to sweep them. So what I want you to do is always get your grips. So I have a grip on the sleeve, a grip on this sleeve. If they're really far up, I'm just going to go ahead and use my sleeves. I'm going to open my guard, but pinch my knees. From right here, I'm going to scissor to the side. And from right here, I have a post foot, and I have my knee on maybe their chest or their belt. This is gonna help buy me some time so that I can quickly sit up. And when I do, I also sit on their lap. I need to sit on their lap. So at this point, your partner, he is still seated up in the upright position. Here's their head. You're gonna go on this side of their head to the arm right here. And you're gonna hug it like they're your bestest friend. You haven't seen them in forever, okay? So from right here, you're gonna post up and sit around, and now you're right here and you're in the mount position and you just worked a sweep. So, again, from the closed guard, you have a really good posture, get your grips, pull at the elbows, rock the guard, go back to the wrist, open the guard, make a scissor position from right here to buy you some time and also keep control. Post up on the elbow, sit up, and sit partly on their lap. Keep your arm on this side of the arm so you can hug it and tuck it in, and then you're gonna hip up and turn, and then you're gonna be in the mount position, okay? Try that at home.